don't know. I think we need to Google myrrh when we get
Myrrh.
done.
And why
I don't like how it's spelled. M-Y-R-H.
H.
Myrrh.
There are like 2 R's or 2 H's in it.
There's an H. I know there's
There
H.
are. I think there are 2 H's though.
Throw a Q in there
But
just
what
for
was
good
the third
measure.
one? It was
You crazy
frankincense.
biblical people.
It was frankincense and myrrh.
gold.
Gold, frankincense, and myrrh.
Oh.
Why do I know this?
Just gold.
Why do you know this?
I don't know.
What is myrrh?
I had to tell Jenica what John 3:16 was, and she went to a fucking Catholic school.
I paid a lot of
And I
attention.
grew up an atheist.
What is John 3?
It's for God so loved the world that he gave forth his only begotten Son, that whoever believes in him shall not perish but have everlasting life. Everlasting.
Look.
Everlasting life.
Everlasting life.
That's a bitch.
And it was weird.
Turn out the chimney tonight.
That's right.
I can't.